Dude, take a look at this record that you sold to me as being near mint. Take a look at this. The record is completely, totally filled with scratches. This record is not near mint, it's not VG plus, it's not even VG. This record is like G. And I bought like many records from you on this package. They were most of them were supposed to be near mint, and they were all over the place. Some were VG plus, some were VG, and some were like this, completely scratched. Like G plus if you're being really positive. So I don't understand what is happening. I don't know if you sent me the wrong records. I have no idea. This one here, the same thing. Supposed to be near mint. Look at that. Completely dirty, full of scratches. Here's another one. Supposed to be near mint. Look at this. There is a mark, a needle mark going all the way through the record. The record is completely destroyed. Look at this. Here's another one that is supposed to be near mint. Look at the amount of scratches that this have. It is pretty difficult to film the scratches, but even then you can clearly see in person it's even worse. Look at that. And here's one more example for you among many. Same situation. You sold me this as near mint. Look at the amount of scratches that this record have. The record is completely covered in scratches, both sides. Again, I don't know if you sent me the wrong record. I don't know if by accident you didn't look at the record, because the third option of you looking at this record and rating it near mint, it just doesn't exist, because nobody would ever do that. Look at this. Look at this one. This one's not even VG. It's completely scratched. You sold me as near mint. Both sides completely scratched. Look at this one here. Look at this specific scratch here. Look at this scratch. Here's another one. Also supposed to be near mint. Look at how strong this scratch is. Of course, it's impossible to see something like that and say that it's near mint. Look at this one over here. Sold to me as near mint condition. There's some white thing here. I don't even know what that is. I can feel it with my finger. Looks like a sticker. I have no idea what that is. This record is not gonna play, that's for sure. And it's also, of course, completely scratched, as most of the others. So this one probably takes the cake, because many of the others were like G plus, G, VG. This one is outright poor. So yeah, all the way from near mint to poor condition. Nice. Another one here, also supposed to be near mint. Look at how heavy this scratch is. It's very heavy scratch. I can feel it with my finger. If you put your finger on it, you can feel it. Crazy. It's supposed to be near mint. Look at that. It's not, it's a scratch.